Your YouTube channel looks empty without a banner. In this video, I want to show you how you can design a banner in just 5 minutes. You don't need any design experience, okay? All you need to do now is kindly watch this video closely to the end so that you don't skip any part. And if you're on the channel for the first time, kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video. Alright, now what I'm going to do now is we are going to head to Canva application, okay? Now, here we are on the Canva. The first step is to open your Canva. If you don't have the application, you can download it using your Google Play Store or App Store, or you can also use their web at canva.com. Okay. Now, what you need to do is to come to this search bar here, and you need to search for YouTube banner. So once you search for it, there are a lot of templates that will be available for you to use. Okay. Now you can start from creating a blank YouTube banner, or you choose any of these and make it your design. All right. So you can see a whole lot of banners here. So all these ones you are seeing here are the premium ones. So you cannot use these ones. Okay. The one you're seeing with the crown sign there are premium. So you want to use the free template. So you can see all of them here. These ones are free. Now let's go with this particular one. Okay. Now once you open it, you make sure that the template you choose is a very simple one. Okay. And don't overthink your design. All right. Now the step 2 is to edit this template into your preferred one. All right. So we're going to change the channel name from this Sebastian Bennett to the name of your channel, right? So let's see, guide mode. All right. Now you can also come here to add your tagline. Let's see, helping beginners grow on YouTube. Okay, grow on YouTube. So I don't really want to make designs, but I'm just doing for the sake of this video. So you can change the color as well, adjust it. Just 1 to 2 colors are enough. Okay. For example, let me just add, let's say something like this. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. All right. Now, if there are other elements you need to remove, then you are just going to click on them and you delete it. Okay. So keep it clean. What is also very important here is that you need to keep the text in the middle, like in the center of your design, so that people that use mobile can see everything. All right. So once you're done with this design, then you need to click on download, which is up here. Okay. Then click on download. Then click on download as well again. So to select PNG. So that is the suggested file type already. So you just go with that one. Then click on download again. Then just wait for it to save. Now it has been saved. All you need to do now is to go back to our YouTube to upload it. So you can use your YouTube app or your YouTube studio. So by now you should have a YouTube studio. But let's use the app for now. Then go to your channel again, click on view channel, click on edit channel. Okay, so then you click on the header there or the banner, then choose from your photos. Then you're going to impute what you just did. Now you can see what I was telling you earlier. So this size is what is going to display for all devices. Okay, and if you're using desktop, it's going to reach this place, and if you're using TV, this is how big it's going to look like. So for you to make sure it displays on all devices, That is why it's very important to bring it to the middle. Okay, now you can see you bring everything down to the middle here, and you can see how it says guide mode, helping beginners grow on YouTube. So anybody that's coming to your channel knows what your channel is all about. Then you can click on save, and all right, so it has been saved already. Okay, so if this helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel, and in the next video we'll teach you on how to create your logo. Don't miss that.